What up, YouTube family? Listen, this morning I am going to be uppotting my sunflowers. So remember I showed y'all when I got the sunflowers, they were sitting in the plastic cups. Well, today I'm transferring them to the pot and I got to put something down to stabilize them. Two people that I just met that have quickly become very important to me, Corey and Keisha, they gave me a couple pieces of bamboo. And later on this week, they're going to be coming by to take a look at my place and how I can make it more efficient, because they've been growing for a couple decades now and I think they have it pretty much under control. I'm grateful for their tutelage, but in the meantime, in between time, I am going to uppot these plants and just do some overall maintenance. Let's go. Okay, so we are done up potting the plants. They look amazing. And I feel good because I'm starting to feel like I'm getting the hang of this thing. You know what I mean? They're not dead. They're yet alive. So anyways, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you comment. Let me know if you're a plant person, where you are on your plant journey. Are you still killing plants? Because listen, I was killing plants as early as January. So no judgment, right? But until next time, though, I'm MeannaDK and I love y'all. I swear I do.